Oh! Alright guys, filmed the intro a bit late, fucking end of the day. Probably gonna see the intro and outro in the same place, but oh well. Here at Cobbler's Creek, fucking gonna have a great day. It really wasn't a good day. We went down we literally only went down the track once.
It's more called Shit's Creek, isn't it?
We went down the main track at Cobbler's once, and then went to fucking, I'm not spoiling it for you. You can watch the video, you can find out what we did. It's a good video for you, but it wasn't good filming it for us. Trust me, it was so bad, man. Alright, much love to you guys. I'm gonna film the outro now. Enjoy the videos.
It is recording. Yeah. Yeah, see, it's right there. Look at it. What?
Jordan!
Oh, fuck.
Jesus!
Shit, snakes. Snakes galore out here. Huh. Rock crawling at its finest. Oh. Holy fuck.
Fuck! Fucking shit! I think it made it straighter. What the fuck? Holy shit!
What the fuck is that? Drop it.
You ready?
Go.
You ready?
Yeah.
Alright, let's go up.
You did like that. Yeah.
Come on, Abe.
Come on, Spud.
Work it out.
You can do it.
I can't do it. I'm gonna go up. Hang on, you ready? Watch out, watch out.
You better.
Up.
No, Nick. You fuck it.
Anti-social mix.
Coils and back. The fucking coils, cunt.
I want to get carbon ceramic brakes for my mountain bike.
You'd be stopping in 2 seconds flat, man. Full 4x4. I know, I wanted to see that thing.
Chuck the GP on.
It is.
It is?
Buddy.
No pedals, bro?
Hands on. Fucking hell. Why did I follow you? Oh shit. Oh shit. Thank you. What? Where's Joe going?
The same fucking path anyway.
Hey, Daddy. Oh, fuck! Holy shit! That's on camera, mate.
Holy shit.
I got it on camera. Oh.
Alright guys, bit of an update. They've all left me. Oh, I'm about to sneeze. Oh, fuck me, hang on, again. Alright, they've all left me. They're taking my money and they left me. They're gonna go get snags and fuck off. Get snags and then we're gonna go back to Cobblers and cook them on the barbie there. So yeah. Can't stop sneezing. Well, hopefully Jordan finds this and puts this in the video.
Sexy. Nice. Oh shit!
You fucking asshole!
Gonna merge! Gonna merge! Slow down, Joe. She's going. Oh, whatever. I'm going.
Nah, bro, let me go.
Yep.
Left or straight?
Huh?
Which way do I go?
Keep going.
Straight?
Down.
Straight?
Yeah,
Oh,
straight.
shit. What the fuck is this?
Oh my god.
Let's go, buddy. I said right.
Oh, what the fuck? We're not ready for this.
Straight.
We should have just gone straight, man. What?
That way, like, isn't it down there?
Yeah, but like this goes right.
I'm just gonna see where this goes for a bit, and then if it gets too bad, I'll just fuck off.
Oh, fuck.
Oh my god.
Oh, where's Daniel? Daniel!
Yeah, that's a good idea. Where you go?
The way. Oh no, it's like level. Straight through afterwards.
Straight?
Yeah.
Ahead of me, I'm gonna be really slow.
Oh, there you go. We should keep Aiden in front of Jordan just in case if he fucking dies.
Me in front of him?
You're behind him.
Yeah, I'll go behind him or something.
He might fucking die.
Move over a bit. Good.
It'd be sick to ride if we were dropped off at the top.
Alright, we're gonna go.
Yeah, it would.
Daniel, quickly turn. Thanks,
I've got to find out what trail this is soon.
Yeah.
Go down it.
Oh, my ankle's fucked.
Yeah, right there.
Oh, wait, Jordan, remember last time we went on a hiking trail? I think this is the start.
Look at this. Wow.
Next time, let's start on this track instead.
No, how about we just not listen to you next time,
No. Daddy. Daniel.
Bro, you know how many fucking trees I almost hit myself on?
Mm.
Or there's downhill, why don't we ride, take advantage of it?
No, it's a big droppy thing. I think, I don't know, I'll find out in a second. Holy shit.
What is it?
Yeah. I know it's like the really wrong time, but I really want to get some photos here.
I could sleep on that rock.
Yo, this is so chill.
I'm getting some.
Daniel.
I'm getting some photos.
You walk through the water.
No, up it. Like, look at it. I'm not touching that water. Look at it.
Nice.
Oh, what?
Oh, look at the shit on my bike, bro.
Yeah.
Just park the bike up here so we can take some photos.
Yep.
Oh, it's so nice.
Oh shit. Where the fuck are we gonna go then? Oh, what the fuck? Spud! Spud! Oh no! You fucking kidding me, man.
Where's my bag? Can you use my bag for me, mate?
Yeah.
No, it's fucking amazing, man.
This is ridiculous.
It's gonna be a long enough video.
Oh, did it actually snap?
No, it just unscrewed itself.
Let's see.
2 screws came out.
Yeah, and then it snapped.
Yeah.
You be able to ride?
Yeah, I'll be alright. I'll just be more cautious. Right there, that's the road.
That way?
Yep. I don't care what they...
Sorry, alright guys, had a great day at Cobblers Creek. I'm back again, by the way. Same me, same location, because you know.
Video.
Anyway,
Next video won't be for.
it was a good ride. Cheers. Good ride. Well, really not, it was a shit ride. Joel fucking got us lost.
Yeah, bud.
We were gonna go to the quarry and make a sick video, but we were too late.
You'll enjoy this one.
You'll enjoy this one, definitely. Don't forget
Video
to...
will be like in 3 weeks or something.
I've got body fucking clothes. Nah, don't forget to smash that like button. Don't forget to subscribe. It's all free. Comment ideas on what we should do next, and
Also we go Fox Creek next, eh?
I reckon.
Wait, yes.
Or do we wait till
How
Jules
about
come
we
in?
all go to Fox Creek?
Actually no, I reckon it'd be better if we had Jules if we do Fox Creek.
Yeah.
Alright.
You reckon we're gonna get Jules anytime soon?
Well, wait till we get our keys.
Anyway, that's it for today. Keep patient with us, guys. Trying to make as much videos as we can, as fast as possible. But you know, not everyone fucking superheroes. See you on the next one.